Okay, go.
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. So, we're gonna be learning how to garden, you know? As you can see, we got some rose bushes here, and I've been working on these for a while. What you gotta do is when they're ripe, you gotta pull them out of the ground, okay?
Hey! Does it taste good? I don't think we have insurance.
We don't have insurance, you're right.
Fuck. Damn it. Where's that pine cone? To make their acting rock solid. Hey, what the fuck, Richard?
So guys, what we got here? We got some kind of, we got some kind of band going.
Oh, dude.
I mean, I think they're pretty shit.
There's a fucking band.
What are you doing?
Shit. They're actually pretty good. So this next one, spontaneous. How to? What the fuck are we gonna do?
First we gotta like. It's pretty good actually.
Yo, what the?
We got some mongrels.
Yo, we're gonna go how to steal their tires. Let's go. Come on.
What?
Okay, go.
Okay, hey guys, we got some mongrels back down here. We're gonna learn how to steal some tires, am I right?
Hey, let's go. What the fuck are you doing? Come on.
He thinks we're going in the wrong direction, but I slipped.
You're going in the wrong direction. I'll just sit here for a bit. I'll take a breather.
Okay, what we got next is how to scare someone. See this? Clearly looks like an alien hand. Come on. Okay. Are you good? Are you good?
What?
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hey guys, what's up?
You gotta record. Oh shit, sorry.
Hey guys, what's up? See what I did there? You like it? I'm gonna teach you how to do that. What?
The rock.
What about it?
What? Exactly. What about what? Hey. That's a tree.
You good? Are you recording?
What?
Are you recording?
What? Hold on, I got a Facebook. Oh my God. These are new shoes. My God.
Oh my!
Hey, what the fuck are you looking at? These are new shoes. Look at
jeans.
that. God.
Like a year old. Okay. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do some parkour. All right? We're gonna be.
What? Continue. Go on.
Okay.
I'm recording.
Okay. We're gonna be learning how to vault, right? We're gonna learn how to vault some fences, okay? You ready? Let's go. We got here. We got a fence. We got a fence here, okay? Okay, come on, hand.
You might get tetanus. I'm just saying we might want to do it like somewhere safer. We should just go get
Do it for the views.
Oh shit! Go! Fuck! Found it. The show you're working on, it's not real. These boys are crazy. This is the key to everything. You gotta know. You gotta know. What the fuck? What are you doing? You're just staring at a fucking rock. Sawyer!
Yo,
What are you...
what is he doing?
He's looking at the ground.
We need you up
We
here. You're
need
just
you.
talking by
What
yourself
the
down there.
hell?
That's kind of creepy, you know?
Well, was that? Were you panning into this?
Yeah.
Are we going?
Are we good? All right.
All right.
So-
What the fuck? I'm not recording yet. What was that?
Holy
strangler.
shit!
Holy!
Okay.
All right.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
So, we don't hear the band anymore. It's a little bit sketchy. So, we're gonna go into hunt mode and try to figure out where this band went. Right?
Should I do that? Hey, wait. Shit. Hey.
We haven't found any signs of anything yet. It's been like 2 days.
Oh, shit. Hold on. Get back into hunt mode. Get your hand. Put your hands.
bro.
Get your hands on the ground. I gotta get another shot. Okay? You know how they, like when people are talking, they have to.
Yeah, do it.
What
do
is?
it.
Hold on. This is fucking weird.
No, it's okay.
Should I like? What kind of shit? Are you good? Over the shoulder.
Over shoulder.
Yeah, go over shoulder. Go. Okay.
So, what we got here, guys, is we got.
Okay. What the?
Wait,
fuck?
are you
Get up.
told-
Yeah. What the?
Let's get out of hunt mode.
Yeah. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, transit. Wait. Hold on. Oh shit! There's get the fuck.
We almost got wrangled up with them teens over there.
He does.
And I wasn't aware that there was glass on the ground. But that's how you hunt, Mike.
We didn't even hunt.
Fuck you.
You don't even have fucking insurance. Cut for a second.
Cut
You
for
don't
a
have fucking insurance.
Well, you can fuck yourself.
What? The fucking. I want to be taller. Fuck.
What?
You don't. Yeah.
You didn't even have your sleeves rolled
Who's
up.
fucking sure? You don't
I was
need it.
stronger than you.
Fuck you. Oh,
Yes.
you feel that? That was
Feel nothing.
that was core strength.
That's called like.
Why the
That was like.
fuck am I British? This is gay.
That was like slightly
Ugh.
below average gelatin.
Fuck. See, the thing is, I do have insurance. I think.
Really?
Not sure. Actually.
Why aren't you using it then?
Well, if I knew that, I would. We're not. Let me try one. They good?
Yeah, pretty good.
Jeez, that stick fall off that tree at him. I
Oh
almost hit
man.
him.
Must have been some huge winds. Pick that shit up.
You're fat.
You know what?
I made some. I'm gonna make you.
I made some.
Follow me. Ow. Fuck, you stepped on it.
Yo, where are you going?
What the?
It's an upside down crowd.
What? Big whoop. What are you?
It's a cross.
It's it's an X because Xander.
Oh,
Which
yeah.
isn't me, but I almost named myself that.
I know someone like that.
Yeah.
There must be like treasure somewhere around here.
If he was an S, I'd probably kill myself.
I wouldn't. It's my name.
What? S.
Yeah.
What's to the next? What are we filming? What are we filming?
Yo, what's in the script?
We're just. Oh yeah. Do we even have a script?
What's in the script? You keep pointing that camera some places. I'm like, what are you doing? What's in the script, dude?
Where's he going?
Took my wallet. The script was in there.
I was gonna steal that. Oh, the script? Oh shit, we need that. What are we filming? What?
You only got $1 in here.
You only have $1? I thought you had insurance.
I swear to God, we're paying you more than that.
Yeah. We're paying him? I'm not paying him.
You're not paying him.
I'm not paying him. Give it back. We'll continue. Yeah. All right. All right. So now we're gonna teach you how to.
Be a cow.
We're going now. All right, go.
No, I'm done with that one. Hey, you see that? You see that tree over there?
Yeah, Japan is a really nice place. Nice place to be.
Damn truth.
It is a pretty dandy place, you know?
Whoa. Yo, hey.
This is a
Who
private
are you?
set. Did you not see the perimeter line?
I work here, as you can see.
Oh, I see. We're kind of filming here.
Well, see, the thing is, I know a place that you can film.
Really?
It's a
Yeah, the set that we're filming on right
yes,
now.
burial ground. You know?
I think we should go there.
That's kind of
I am well aware, 99% sure, that there are no murder traps anywhere within the
Stabbers?
vicinity.
Or
Yeah,
stabbers.
stabbers, as you call them.
That's good.
You,
Do they have
humans,
insurance? Do they have insurance?
do the stabbers have insurance?
I thought there weren't any stabbers.
There's no stabbers.
Oh. But, like, does the place have insurance?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you should go there.
So, should we go there?
I'm not great with heights.
I'm aware of that. I'm not too well with like oceans either, but I think we should go for it. We need a better set.
There aren't any stabbers.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Where is it? Where is he?
Do you say? He said up a little ways. That doesn't make.
Oh, like over there?
Yeah, you mean over there?
All right, let's go.
Let's go over there.
Good is the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what we're gonna do is I'm not actually that good. I don't think I've actually recorded anything. Yeah. So we're gonna scrap all that, and what we're gonna do is like a ghost hunting show.
We're gonna go to that
We're gonna-
burial ground, and we're gonna find some ghosts.
You didn't jump.
Let's
Burial
go.
grounds.
Let's go get these ghosts.
I think that's water.
See,
But you'd be wrong because you're a ghost. There's no water there.
there's
alright?
water there.
No.
but there's-
Are you a ghost?
Moving on.
Moving on.
We've hit a plateau. There's no way around this wall.
What?
Yo, there's a ghost over there. Here, I got you.
Ghost. What?
Yo, come on. Yo, you got something?
I thought I smelled one. So this is actually, you might think this is a tree, but if you touch this, it's extremely...
Extremely deadly.
Hey there, boys.
Oh, hey, you're
Is
that
this-
guy.
What are you doing?
Is this the burial ground you were talking?
Oh,
The burial
quick
ground,
question.
yeah.
Did you get a drink of water on your way in?
Yes.
Get them.
They're gonna die. I'm gonna kill them.
Yo, you see that? You see that, ghosts? He saw the water. He said he drank
Alright.
the water.
We've seen real ghosts, so we're gonna try to, you know, make a couple bowstrings. Strings. Common people, they think they need the whole bow. You just need the string.
Yeah. And just the arrowhead. You don't need like the actual shaft. Is that what we're talking about?
No, just the string.
What are you talking about?
The
Talking
string
about
of it.
shafts?
Okay.
Oh wait.
Hey.
What's up? What's up? Hey, boys.
I'm getting.
You wanna fight? This is a white tree. You will get compelled. You better run. You better run. No, you're not.
Do you trust everyone?
Instead of hunting it, let's just go somewhere else and then kind of like be like, oh, we're hunting them, and then not hunt them. Actually.
So, we're gonna find some other ghosts. So, you ready?
Actually, I want to try to climb this tree first, and I'm natural parkourist.
Right.
I'm ready. Yeah, you see that? 20 feet. 20 feet.
Oh, don't you say? That was
He's-
pretty cool.
'cause he's a ghost. I know. We should do a parkour episode.
We totally should. We gotta find more ghosts. All right. Do you know any places? Yo, what? What are you talking about?
Ew.
Over there? That'd be cool.
I should turn. Sometimes I feel like I should track this show.
What?
Camera tips. The thing that I hate about ghost hunting is sometimes you see gazebos, but they're not actually there, and you have to go back this way. And that's just, it's great. You know what I mean?
There's like kind of some people there. I don't like that. Should we just wait? Don't film them. We're...
Yeah, they're ghosts. This is why I normally film. I'm gonna take your job. Okay? Good.
What?
What?
Okay, I think we're good now. Okay. Let's go. Go check this gazebo.
I got really scared.
It's pretty cool.
That means we're safe. We're safe. It's like.
Step 1.